I was just gifted these electrolytes and I love that these are made in the USA, low calorie, vegan, fast acting chews that will give you exactly what you want really fast. These also have no artificial sweeteners or flavors or colors. Their colors are using things like spirulina and turmeric, and they use real sugar. So you are getting exactly what you want out of each of these. And they come in a few different flavors, so let me go through those real quick. You get green apple, lemon lime, peach, tart orange, mixed berry, watermelon, and coconut pineapple. And what these are giving you is a quick hit of sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium in a quick chew. And they recommend 2 chews for every 30 minutes of heavy exercise. And these bags come with 5 servings each, so each bag should have 10 chews in it. So I'm gonna give the tart orange a try. And what's also cool is that these little packets are resealable, so you don't have to use this all in one go. You can just seal it back up so your electrolytes aren't flying all through your bag. And they really do look like quick little chews. And wow, they give that pop of flavor. You may have seen my eye twitch there. I can definitely taste the tart orange in this one. Really powerful. Also absolutely delicious. I really love that. And because it's 2 to a serving, I'm actually gonna try one of the other flavors for my other serving. I'm gonna go for watermelon here. Give this one a try. That is pretty amazing. It has some good watermelon flavor. Just trying only the tart orange and the watermelon, I know I'm a little limited and make an assumption about all the flavors, but there is a lot of consistency between these two. The basic flavor is very straightforward. It is definitely sodium forward. It makes my mouth water. It does make me want to drink a little water as well, but I definitely feel just an immediate hit of electrolytes. It's pretty amazing. It might be a placebo effect, but these really do feel like they're working. And then the watermelon flavor is definitely on the lighter side, not as strong as the tart orange. It didn't give me that same tartness with the first bite. So I definitely recommend trying all the flavors and figuring out which ones are your favorites. But if you are going on long runs or long workouts and can't bring a water bottle with you, or maybe you run out of water, these are incredible. What a great way to get a fast hit of electrolytes without filling your stomach with a ton of water that then might be sloshing around as you run. Really nice way to get your hydration. I am so thrilled that SaltStick gifted me these, and I will definitely be using these moving forward. Check them out.